Hi guys, welcome to Marcy's Sina Kitchen. Guys, today we're going to cook some brown stew fish with banana dumpling. Guys, stay tuned. So guys, here's the banana. I'm going to use about 6 fingers of banana, guys, to make banana dumpling. Guys, I'm going to tell you a history about banana dumpling. Guys, the first time my mom make it gift to me, I wonder what kind of dumpling is this? Because guys, when you make the dumpling, it going white and it come out a little bit purplish, guys. So I was saying to my mom, what kind of dumpling is this? I don't want to eat it. And she said, taste it. Guys, when I taste it and dip it in the fish gravy, guys, you do not want it to finish. So guys, I'm going to show you how I make my banana dumpling in Jamaican style. And guys, to make your hand don't have any stain on it, you can put some coconut oil and some. Yes, guys. And guys, are going to rub it and the oil. So you know you don't have any stain on your hand. And guys, are going to guys, see, when you grate the banana, you cannot blend it, you know, guys, you have to grate it. It's a must, you have to grate the banana. You cannot be blended to make the banana dumpling. So guys, you have to grate it. This banana is easy to peel, some of them kind of a little bit toughish, but this one kind of have like a smooth, easy to be peeled. And guys, when you're making banana dumpling, what I love about what you want to put into your dumpling. So guys, I'm going to show you. And I'm grating it and how I'm going to knead it, guys. And you can see, guys, there's no stain on my hand because take of the oil. Use some cooking oil. And whatever the banana is, use a knife and scrape it off. Guys, when you mark it, you know it's easy to peel. You have to center the knife on it and just mark it straight. Now marking it, guys, just hold it like this and just put the knife right here and just carry it down and just put it there. And it's easy to be peeled. Just use the side of your finger right here and peel it. And if guys, you peel it and it break, you know, nothing wrong with that, you know. Nothing wrong with silicone degrader, guys. So guys, finished to be peeling my 6 banana. And this is the way it looks, guys. So I'm going to go ahead now and grate it, guys. Stay tuned. So guys, it's time for me to be grated the banana. So I keep it into some fresh water. Kind of banana easy to get black, you know, guys. So you keep it in the water, it takes longer to be black. So guys, we're going to go ahead and grate it. And guys, when I grate some little piece, going to leave, you can go straight inside there. You see, guys, it's easy to grate, I know, guys. See? Very easy to grate. And just take your time and just hold your hand like this. Don't put your hand very near to the banana because you do not want the grater to cut you. So just hold it like this and start to the grater. And when you grate the banana and it's getting smaller and smaller, you shift more your finger, more down from it. Because it don't slice you. Grater very cut. When it slice you, guys, it burn. You know? And guys, remember, the banana must fully green to make the banana dumpling. It can't be ripe. Once the banana is ripening, can I use it to make banana dumpling, guys? So guys, look on it. So guys, it's time for me to put in the flour to make the banana dumpling. And remember guys, you have to put, I love to use my measuring cup. So I'm going to put 1 cup of flour first inside of it. So guys, this is 2 cups of flour. And I'm going to use 2.5 cups of flour. See it is, guys. And guys, I love to use my measuring spoon because this is 1 teaspoon. So I'm going to use, you know, I don't, too much salt is not good in your dumpling. Don't taste any salt in your dumpling. This is a, so guys, we're going to go ahead and mix. My hand is clean. So guys, remember to wash your hand. Guys, it's amazing to make this dumpling because this dumpling do not take water. Sometimes it don't take water, guys. You just need until everything, the banana, mix right out. So guys, when you're making this dumpling, it takes a small amount of water. As you can see, guys, the banana has already spring its own water, so you just have to use a small amount of water. If you don't use a small amount of water, you're going to be spoiled. So guys, stick to your measuring cup. Upon it, guys, so quick getting soft. So you just take a small amount of water, not plenty water. Like when you're making the caramel dumpling or the plain dumpling. When you're making a banana dumpling, it takes a small amount of water. So each time you have to choose a small amount of water. You want to mix. And guys, look on it. And guys, if you're making your dumpling and it's spoiled, because guys, sometimes we do some things, guys, all of us it happen to. Guys, okay, we can cook well, sometimes things spoil. So guys, if you're making a banana dumpling and it's getting too soft on you, you can add a little more flour to it. See guys? So guys, you see it white, and when you cook, it have a purple look at it. So guys, our pot is on. The water is boiling up. So I'm going to go ahead and put in my dumpling. So guys, you can see it going white. When you finish cook, guys, it's coming out purple again. So guys, I don't know how much dumpling I'm going to get out of this. I'm just going to make until it finish. So guys, going to the last one, going to go in now. So guys, look at it. Oh my Lord. And guys are going to put in a small amount of salt inside of it. put in a teaspoon of salt. So guys, while my dumpling is cooking, it's time for me to clean up my fish to brown stew. I'm going to remove the tail. As a person who cleans up it, she can clean up fish very good because I don't have a lot of things on it to be cleaned up. So guys, I love to clean my fish when it comes from the supermarket. I love to be clean it for myself. I'm going to cut it in two, guys. So guys, I'm going to go ahead now and wash it. So guys, we're going to look on the dumpling. So guys, I'm going to dry my fish and then I'm going to season it. I'm going to wash it, guys. Now guys, I always have to wash your fish with vinegar or lemon or lime. So I'm going to put some fish season on it. I'm going to put some black pepper on it. But guys, I'm not going to put any salt on it until I'm going to give the finishing touch when it's finished brown stew. So when it finish guys brown, I'm going to finish to season it. So guys, when you put your little season on it now, and guys, when you're ready to cook it, guys, you don't want this fish to be done. And guys, this season what I use, like the fish season, it have salt inside of it, so I don't have to put any salt. A small amount of salt I'm going to use inside of it, because guys, your health comes first, so you have to know what goes inside of your body. When the more you're getting older, the more healthier you can eat is the best for us. So guys, I'm going to check on the dumpling. Guys, it's time for me to remove the flame from underneath it. So guys, it's cooked. So it's time for me to go and look about the fish. Stay tuned, guys. So guys, as you can see, the pot is on, so I'm going to get in some oil inside of it. So I'm going to stir here, guys, and hot before the fish can go inside of it. So guys, I'm going to put in a cube of garlic inside of it. So guys, it's time for me to get in the fish. So guys, we're going to get it back into the pot. Guys, let's go this kitchen, whatever chop or whatever type of season, I put inside of it. Guys, in the next 2 minutes I'm going to remove the flame from underneath it. So guys, as you can see, it's time for me to remove my flame from underneath it.